Crisis is an event that leads to an unstable and dangerous situation affecting an individual, group, or whole organization. Corona crisis has created tremendous pressure on all organizations, the leaders of all sectors across the globe. The situation is unprecedented, thus, there is no universal solution for this problem. No one knows what to do in such a scenario. Only rapid innovation can help leaders to minimize risk. The crisis is totally different from routine crisis, and we can say that this is the true crisis. Like all sectors, education sector, which till now was considered as gold mine and have not faced such situation in the past, is the most affected sector. Some of the crises faced by educational institutions, especially private schools and colleges, are like school fee collection, prevention of academic losses of children, availability of technology in remote areas, online class issues, online examination, maintaining reputation of institution, safety of students and teachers. Though the job is tough but not impossible, we have to follow the concept of crisis management to deal with this unprecedented situation so that we can help our organization to minimize loss and speedy recovery from this crisis. Thus, I think the knowledge of crisis management for all organization leader is must even for the leaders of school and colleges. Crisis management is the process by which an organization deals with a major event that threatens to harm the organization, its stakeholders, or the general public. Friends, I am Dr. Sunil Yadav, the educational leader and speaker. Today, I will speak about managing crisis and successful recovery. Like, comment, share with your friends, colleagues, family members, and subscribe my channel to get latest educational updates. Today I will discuss about 7 C's of Corona crisis management. First C is creativity, second is calm, third is communication, fourth is collaboration, fifth is compassion, sixth is confidence, and seventh is cash. Now let us discuss it one by one. First, that is crisis. This corona crisis is new to whole world, so leader must speed up or accelerate the innovation process in their organization. How the work can be done in different methods without affecting the operation of the organization. Talk with creative people or group who are managing their organization successfully and implement as per your resources to run your organization. Second, C is calm. There may be large impact on your business organization due to unprecedented lockdown. So you need not to panic, stay cool and calm and think about solution as in emergency. More calm composure are required to deal with situation successfully. Third C is communication. Communication is the key to mitigate any emergency. So effectively communicate with your team, arrange many meetings with the stakeholders. This meeting may be in group, big or small, and if possible arrange one-to-one meeting also to understand the problems of various stakeholders. Fourth C is collaboration. Collaborate with your team, take their inputs, work as team, as many brains are always better than single brain. Sit with your team, brainstorm your strategies and implement it to become winner in the end. Compassion. All people are suffering. Have compassion for others. Try to avoid firing your staff, imposing penalty to gain the benefits. Focus must be on survival, not profit, at least during this time. Extend your hand to help other member of the society. 6. C is confident. Show confidence through your decision, voice and behavior, and spread positive message in your organization that situation is under control. People need not to panic. We are fighting the crisis like war and winning on different fronts. Seventh C is cash. Cash is the king in all business operations. Ensure the flow of cash in your organization. At the same time, cut unnecessary expenditure or minimize your expenses to retain cash in the organization.